In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a shaking text effect. You can easily create this shaking text effect by adjusting the rotation values. Slightly move the playhead forward, and from the Effect Controls panel, add a keyframe for rotation. Now change the value to 20, and move the playhead forward by pressing Shift and left arrow key, and change the value to -20. Move 5 frames forward by pressing Shift and right arrow key, and change the value to 16. Move another 5 frames, and change the value to -16. Move 5 frames forward, and change the value to 12. Move another 5 frames, and change the value to -12. Move 5 frames forward, and change the value to 8. Move another 5 frames, and change the value to -8. Move 5 frames forward, and change the value to 4. Move another 5 frames, and change the value to -4. Move 5 frames forward, and change the value to 2. Move another 5 frames, and change the value to -2. Move 5 frames forward, and change the value to 1. Move another 5 frames, and change the value to -1. Move 5 frames forward, and change the value to 0. Let's have a look. You have successfully created a nice-looking shaking text effect. To increase the speed of the effect, you can decrease the gap between those keyframes. Let's do this by duplicating the text layer. Changing the position of the text, so we can see the difference between the speed of the effect. Now I will reduce the gap from 5 frames to 3 frames between the keyframes. You can see that the effect is slightly faster than before. Now I will duplicate the text layer again and make it even faster. Here, I will reduce the gap to 1 frame between the keyframes. There you have it, the shaking text effect with 3 different speed levels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.